Hey everyone! Today we are talking about vitamin C and its powerful effects on removing lead and rejuvenating the immune system. Researchers from the University of Texas Medical Branch at Galveston published a human study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition. They examined 75 heavy smoking men between the ages of 20 and 30 years old. Cigarette smoke releases heavy metals like lead into the body and causes significant health risks. The scientists divided the men into 3 groups to test different daily doses of vitamin C. One group took 0 milligrams and another took 250 milligrams per day for 4 weeks. A third group took 1,000 milligrams daily and saw their blood lead concentration fall by 81%. This specific dose removes lead because lower amounts like 250 milligrams show no effect on blood levels. Toxic heavy metals exist in drinking water and dust particles that you breathe every single day. Lead damage includes disrupted hormone balance and reduced fertility, along with learning disorders from nerve cell damage. You can also use modified citrus pectin in doses of 15 to 20 grams per day to remove heavy metals. This substance forms complexes with metals and helped remove radioactive heavy metals after the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. Combining alginate with modified citrus pectin removes uranium from the body, while intensive exercise reduces heavy metal concentration in blood. Spanish physiologists at Complutense University of Madrid published research in the journal Experimental Gerontology regarding immune system age. It collected blood from healthy young people in their 30s and compared it to older people in their 70s. The older group took 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily for a period of 3 months. Supplementation made neutrophils more sensitive to biochemical signals that tell them to attack bacteria. These cells consumed foreign pathogens more often and matched the effectiveness of the young adult group. Vitamin C also stimulated the development of lymphocytes into mature immune cell types like T cells and B cells. Natural killer cells became more active and eliminated unusual cells before the learning part of the immune system activated. The immune systems of the elderly participants remained better in some respects 6 months after they stopped taking the vitamin. This short period of supplementation contributes to healthy longevity without needing lifelong daily intake. You need 1,000 milligrams daily for 4 weeks to remove lead, but only 500 milligrams daily for 3 months to rejuvenate immune function. Heavy metals are invisible and tasteless, so removing them protects your intestines and brain cells from silent damage. Taking these specific doses restores immune cells to a younger state and lowers toxic metal levels significantly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.